The Nerdy History of Plumbing, Episode 34. Many folks use chemical drain cleaners to clear up clogs or backups in their homes. Invented in the early 19th century, drain cleaners were originally alkaline, containing lye or sodium hydroxide, or acidic, usually containing sulfuric acid. Alkaline drain cleaners work because, as we all know, lye, like in soap, breaks down fats and oils. But due to lye's other property of absorbing water when not in proximity to fats or oils, these alkaline drain cleaners were only so effective. Acidic drain cleaners, on the other hand, work by allowing acids to dissolve cellulose, those fats and oils, by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is a process of infusing water to break down a substance. The major problem being that plastic components can warp or break down with these harsh chemicals. Modern plumbers suggest that chemical drain cleaners should not be used at all in one's home, as they can be dangerous to your health and sometimes even explosive. But most of all, they can ruin your home's drain system due to corrosion or warping of a drain, causing bellies in those drain lines. Subscribe to learn more about plumbing's history, or if you have questions about your home's plumbing and need an expert, call the Plumbing Nerds.